You take a bite of something cold, and suddenly, pain hits your head. This is called brain freeze, and it happens faster than you think. The cold hits the roof of your mouth and rapidly cools your blood vessels. Your body reacts instantly, forcing those vessels to tighten. Then suddenly, they expand again. This rapid change sends a pain signal through a major nerve in your head. Your brain gets confused and thinks the pain is coming from your forehead,